How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be going over a new company that ARK Invest just bought. This is a medical company that is also going to be doing a reverse merger and going public. We're going to go over exactly what this company is, how many shares ARK Invest bought, and we're going to go in detail. What is the potential for growth in the future for this company? So I'm going to cover all this important information coming up. So as you can see over here, this is exactly what this company do. This is the new image of health. We're going to go over the investor presentation, but of course, we need to first understand what this company is. So the medical imaging provider Butterfly Network to merge with the SPAC Longview in $1.5 billion deal. So what this basically means is that usually when companies, when they're about to go public, they go a traditional way, which is doing an IPO, or now they do a SPAC deal. Basically means is they're going to make a deal with the blockchain company, and the company is going to take them public by using the SPAC deal. So the ticker symbol that if you want to get involved in this company is currently LGVW, which is Longview Acquisition Corporation. So after the merger finalizes, the ticker symbol is going to be changing to BFLY. So if you invest in this company, you don't have to do anything. It's the only thing that's going to happen is going to be the ticker symbol is going to be changing. So the initial investors for this company in the past, before the company even went public, before even ARK Invest started buying it, is that we have Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation also as an investor. So that is fantastic. Now let's talk about how many shares ARK Invest own. So ARK Invest got involved in this company yesterday, so they own approximately, as you can see over here, 459,572 shares. So that is the number 45th position on the ARK GETF. So you can check it out, and we're going to go over in detail, talk about exactly what this company do. I'm just going to go over it really quick so you'll be able to have an understanding of the company. So now let's check it out. This is the basic deal, the merger and the investment. So the story of Butterfly, which is the company, is it's driven by the vision of innovative founders. So basically ARK Invest got attracted to this because they like to invest in innovation, disruptive technology. So that fits the criteria for them to invest in it. So Butterfly introduces a revolutionary product. That's great. So with a breakthrough technology putting ultrasound on a semiconductor chip. So we're going to go over it later on and look at exactly how they're able to implement that. But let's just go over exactly their numbers and what this company is all about first. So this company is also brought to the public at an attractive valuation. So that is really great, because usually when these companies, when they do an IPO, they don't actually provide the average investors to get involved early. So right now the average investor has an opportunity once this merger gets announced, to get in early, just like other investors, just like other big hedge fund and things like that. They have the option. Let's say, for example, if a company goes IPO, they can buy in early. They have the opportunity. So right now, for people, the average investors, they can have the opportunity to get involved in this company before it IPOs, before it goes publicly traded. So by buying the merging company before the ticker symbol changes. So that is one of the good things about getting involved in these companies with these mergers. Of course, things might definitely not work out as planned, but the stock might have extreme volatility up and down. But if you believe in the company, it's great to get in early. Just like the main investors, they start buying early. So the goal of Butterfly is to disrupt a large and expanding total addressable market. So we're going to go over exactly, this is the transactional overview that they're going to be going over. This is the amount of money that they have. And we're going to go over exactly what is the investment they're going to be getting. So we talked about it's worth $1.5 billion. So Butterfly is going to mainly focus on attacking an $8 billion addressable market. So this ultrasound, we're going to go over exactly what is the vision and also how this equipment works. So we're going to go over the vision. So as you can see over here, we got driven by the vision of an innovative founder. So this is the founder, Dr. Jonathan, invited by the next-gen DNA sequencing of WIN's Presidential Medal of Tech and Innovation. So that's in 2011. This is the fourth catalyzed and Butterfly Network, and founded in 2011 to 2020. So today we have 7 C Corps, 400 team members, and 750 million raised. So that is a lot. And the clinical overview. So we're going to go over exactly what this equipment is all about. So addressing an unmet need. So we have the medical professional and patient needs, affordability. Of course, right now, there's a lot of issues with medicine being super high, especially if you're in the US, it's really expensive. Even taking x-rays, ultrasound, it's by itself, it's a lot expensive. So they're trying to attack that by making it affordable, easy of use, mobility, ubiquity, and ultrasound usage today has been constrained by high upfront system cost, limited access, and suboptimal conveniences. So the opportunity is immense and meaningful. So we have 2/3 of the world has no access to medical imaging. Of course, people in third world countries and things like that might not have access, to be able to get x-rays and ultrasound, things like that. And 2/3 of diagnostic dilemmas can be addressed through simple imaging. So use case ultrasound is safe with broad application. So the ultrasound broad clinical utility. So you have over here some of the images that they took over here, and expanding access to core beyond traditional imaging settings. So disruptive, the 8 billion global ultrasound market, 6 billion equipment market, and 2 billion service market. So this is exactly what they're trying to attract over here. We have the hospitals, the niche doctor offices, and imaging centers. So there's imaging centers like they only take x-rays and ultrasound and things like that. So that is what they're also trying to take advantage of. And increased demand of point of care POCUS education. So this is a revolutionary image solution for hardware and software. This is the chip that they have. And open imaging ecosystem and device content. A logic advantage, expected product roadmap. So we have 2018, they have over here 2020 Q. We have IQ in the home 2021 and 2022. We got the Gen 3 2023, 2024 Butterfly Labs. So this is exactly what they're trying to do. So business overview. So this is exactly what the equipment is going to be looking like over here. So disrupting a large and expanding total addressable market. So addressable population medical doctors, that's like 12 million to 3 million initial target. We have the nursing and midwives, that is 28 million. So the time of Butterfly to transform healthcare is now. So this is the macro trend, aging population, chronic disease, move of hospital to home settings, and wellness monitoring. So this is the Butterfly, and you can always see how this thing works over here. You just have to connect it to your phone and you're able to see exactly the images. So disrupting a large and expanding total addressable markets. So this is exactly what we talked about. So we have rapid innovation cycle for better clinical outcomes. So the hardware, this is the IQ, our second generation ultrasound on chip. 15% faster frame rates, 15% smaller prop head, 2 times continuous runtime, and a longer battery life. And you're able to see this is the imaging recent monthly upgrade software, so education and E-level VIZ and the 3D rendering. Healthcare institutions to drive adoption of scale. So Butterfly Enterprises, you got security, you got clinical imaging, you got workflow analytic, plans to access the home market. So by 2023, wearable and home, so alternative sites of care. We have dialysis centers, we have in-home care of urology, bladder, we got urgent care, we got long-term care, and also have cardiovascular CHV, primary care. So financial, so Butterfly has strong growth potential across multiple end markets. So these are the markets that they're trying to attack. We talked about it. So robust revenue growth with the roadmap to compelling margin profile. So high compelling investment and attributes, strong balance sheets, rapid growth, recurring businesses, discount to comparables, brought to the public at an attractive valuation. So this is the valuation compared to the other companies that they have over here, the EV revenue 2020E. So this is 10.6x, and the revenue CAGR 2020 to 2020E is 77%. And supported by clear vision and world-class teams. So this is the majority of the teams that they have. So you can go and check out exactly. So this is the majority of the team that they have. So you can definitely go over it when you have more time to do more research about this company. You can go over the presentation. But I just wanted to let you know that, ARK Invest is getting involved. If you find value in this company, if you are trying to invest in this company, there's definitely potential for growth in the future. So when you look at the stock price right now, it's currently sitting at $15.82. So the news came out a few days ago. So the stock has been going up to the upside. It was trading right around at $10. It went to $12.28. It went to $14 and $15. So it's going to be still more time for it to eventually going to finish the merger and go public. So there's still more time. So the stock might actually dip. If you want to get involved in it, you can just buy it right now if you believe in the long term. But of course, do more research on it, right? You go to the website, check out the investor presentation, and see exactly if it fits, some of your investment goals, or if you want to quickly get in and out of it and trade it and things like that. The volatility is definitely there. If you want to just swing or trade the hype and things like that, definitely check out this company. So, and also the highlights over here says like Cathie Wood added Longview acquisition SPAC ahead of the deal with Butterfly Network. So there's going to get a lot of buzz and a lot of people might get attracted to it, and the stock might potentially go higher and higher. So definitely check out this company, keep it in your watch list. And if you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below, and I'll catch you on another video. Have a wonderful day.